everybody, thank you so much for tuning into my Fab Chaos. Today it's raining. And you can tell by my hair. That it's a rainy day today. So I thought today would be a great opportunity to break out my Dollar Tree finds that I'm going to use to make my fall wreath. And I thought I'd bring you with me. So if you're interested in something like that, sit back, grab yourself something warm to drink, and join me. So I've gathered together all my Dollar Tree supplies. As you can see, I have a ton of things here. I'm not really sure what I'm going to use, but I know I'm going to come up with some type of fall wreath theme using sunflowers. And, you know, there's a lot of goodies here that I can go by. We're going to try that. Everything here that I'm going to use is from the Dollar Tree, unless I grab my E6000 or my glue gun. I got this glue gun from the local Walmart. It probably cost me about 10 bucks. You used to be able to buy a mini glue gun from your local Dollar Tree, but no more. So I've got everything out of its packaging. These are the sunflower clips that you can find from your local Dollar Tree. Pulled apart this clip and destroyed one, but I still have a clip on this one, so I'm not quite sure. You can always just glue that. Pulled out my leaves. I've got some fox leather leaves, and I've got some burlap leaves. I've got my beads, my little acorns, my baby pine cones, and I was thinking maybe I'll incorporate my fox corn on the cob decoration here. But I'm definitely going to use my sunflowers. I'm going to pop each one off. I'm going to use that to fill our sunflower wreath. I've got my baby sunflowers. These are the paper sunflowers. Some ribbon, and then I've got my wreath ring. Really not sure, so let's see what we come up with. My thankful. I'm going to go with this LED light set. It is orange, and I think that it's going to be perfect. I've got 10 lights here. I'm going to warm up my hot glue gun, and let's see what I come up with. I think I'm going to use 2 ribbons, 3 inches on each side. I'm going to cut it, and I think I'm going to use this to fill, to hold it in the middle. So let's see how that goes. I only need a little bit. It doesn't really matter what color it is, but it's floral wire. I found it 26 gauge, and I've got 100 feet here, which will last me forever. I'm going to cut it, and I think what I'm going to do is just going to bunch it together. And we're probably going to glue this or tie this to our wire wreath ring. Definitely a little bit tougher. Okay, so I'm already in for $1.25, another $1.25, $1.25, and $1.25. I'm going to wire it long ways, and I'm going to go with the closest wire to the circle. Makes sense? I'm going to clean it up a little bit. Get rid of our long wires. You want to put it in the back, of course.
Easy peasy. Easy peasy.
Find yourself a bottom. I'm just going to apply some basically to the top of it. I'm not really loving this glue gun. Tack your ends if you want. Make sure everything is going to hold. You might have some wind out there. Now I'm just going to make these 10 lights work. 10 lights should be enough for the whole wreath. Not quite. As you can see, I'm about, I don't know, 5 inches shy. No big deal. We're just going to place that there. It's still going to do its trick. Now we just want to fill it. Basically, we want to fill it with all of our goodies. We can clip some things. We can glue some things. I prefer to glue it. So that's basically all I'm going to do is try to fill it. I'm going to start with my oak leaves, my burlap leaves. There's no rhyme or reason. Just put it wherever you think it needs to go. Cover up your wires along the way. We're going to fill all the spaces that we want to not have showing. I'm going to fill it with my leaves first, and then I'm going to work on my sunflowers because we want those to stand out the most. I'm just going to put some glue on all the backs. Put them in here wherever the hell I please. So easy. I love to pack mine full of everything. So as you'll see, I'll go a little overboard, but I love to go a little overboard. You're doing it with Dollar Tree products, and a lot of the wreaths that you find on the market are going to cost you at least 40 bucks. So to do it yourself and be proud of your little work, I think that's the best. So fill it, and fill it some more. Let your personality shine through. We've got a lot of sunflowers here. So basically, I'm just going to start gluing my sunflowers in. I've got my lights in. I've got my leaves in. I think that's coming along really nice. I love the way it's looking. The back seems to be pretty full. I'm going to try to keep my battery pack at the bottom, just because I want it to lay on the door heavy at the bottom. I'm just going to fluff it up, and now I have all my adornments, all these things that I'm not quite sure what I want to do with. I might leave these out, but I definitely want to include some pine cones. I'm probably going to leave this out also. We're going to see. Let's see what we have. Acorns. Make sure I got my thankful in here. If you make a mistake, just pull it off and try again. There's no right or wrong. It's your project. Don't listen to the naysayers. I need a bowl. Love to incorporate these beads here. Let's see if we can do that. Now I'm just going to fill it with all these goodies here. I love the idea of having pine cones. It just seems perfect. Sunflowers on here. I'm thinking this sucker looks really nice. Okay, everybody, I hope you enjoyed my little tutorial of how to make your own Dollar Tree DIY fall wreath. I've done a number of different things. It wasn't too hard. You need a glue gun, some supplies, and you're good to go. As you can see, it probably cost me about a little bit over $20 to create this. And I think that's a great deal because it would have cost me at least 40 plus to buy this at my local Michael's. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you enjoy these type of videos, let me know in the comments down below. If you haven't already, please subscribe to keep up with my fab chaos. And until next time, everyone, enjoy a blessed day. Bye.